Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into something big, not just crypto, not just stock, but the next evolution of finance happening right now, xStock project. This video is for just educational purpose only. We are going to share this video just for informational purpose. You can get link in video description. What if you could trade real US stock directly on the blockchain, no middleman, no border, and just pure on the chain access? This is largest network of tokenized equities, 25 billion plus as their dollar in transaction volume, and 8 of the top 11 tokenized equity platform ETs X Stock 5 that I am going to introducing here. Just pure on the chain access, that exactly what X Stock is building. This video is educational purpose only and it is not my financial advice. Always do your research before investing. And if you like this content, you can also share to your friend and make sure to hit subscribe and turn on notification because we break down the future of money step by step. So how this is actually working? We are entering into new phase. Some call it agentic era of finance, where systems are smarter, market are programmable. Yes, there you can also check a new revenue vertical is here with such a market opportunity and their activities for economic making strong, and here is momentum volume how it will be expanded with a crossing the competition. There are everything. So if you want to know about how users have more control than ever before, then in this new world, in the tokenized world, assets are no longer locked in the traditional system. They moved on chain, they become faster and more accessible with 24/7 global market access. And here is infrastructure. There are centralized exchanges, decentralized market maker, and wallet are already connected. Next, you can check on the global level. There are a lot of people. xStock is a platform that let you trade US equities on the chain. Yes, real stocks. You can easily get started with that. xStock is your platform with market access 24/7 on the chain wallet compatible, as well as there are multiple features. So in this way you can also come to this platform if you are interested in the centralized exchanges, DX or liquidity providers. Everything have been mentioned on their website and some frequently asked questions too. You can say about like their partner recognized on global level. There are network are live, so you can also join, be the next member. And if you want to enter into this platform in the tokenized stock for everyone, there are a complete list too, like Tesla stock, there is MicroStrategy, X stock, Nvidia, and many other. So if you want to join, you can easily click on the connect to wallet, and wallet is also here, like I am going to using here Solana wallet, and then extension will be open that I will use here, and I will also show you too how it looks like. We want to get access into the wallet asset I have already, and I am going to connect my wallet to this site, so we can directly connect to own the blockchain without traditional barrier. Right now you can see here 70 plus like 75 plus tokenized stocks are available. You can see here is AUM with smart contract, like there are Steady PPP, Xstock, Tesla, Circle, there is Nvidia, there is also many other from these pages. You can easily click on it, and here you will see and other companies Xstock, Amazon, Google. There are big companies, it is just beginning, you are watching out. And in this section, this is not just a small project. Xstock expanding very fast. If you select any one of them, then you can also get here all the detail about more product, and we can easily explore here. Here is also what exchange you want to connect here. There is more accessibility, strong infrastructure, bigger network effect, and more platform you can easily connect here. You can also check for explore on Kraken, Bybit. There is also Gate.io, and you can also see all these options. So if you have any one of them, you can easily go ahead and I'll show you rest detail on that. And now we click on it. In this way, you can also start your new epic journey here. So, what does it matter to you? Because this is about the access you can easily start getting on all these big systems. Stock market are limited by geography, by system, by gatekeepers. Now anyone with internet can participate with this. Like there is also a good option for you, and here you can also explore it. There is X stock. If you want to choose, here is bridge. How you can also convert from one network to another network, you can easily select. And there is also the swap option. Here are the thing getting interesting. X stock is also rewarding the people. If you want to understand the proof of reserve for trading tokenized, xstock is rewarding to its community through something called here also the X points too. Here you can also start your new epic journey. There are X point, as I have already told you. If you want to participate, you can click on it. There will be signature request. We have to proceed that. And here is the confirm option. Once we click on it, then our points page will be ready. And we can easily get these X point. What are the main tasks? I will also show you. Like here, first one is about how we will get say good morning. We need to click on it, and then there is also another permission we are going to confirm. As we will complete it, then you can also see one point have been added. And there is also next about join them on their social media link. Then you can also complete this quest, and then you have to verify. You can also invite your friends. You can copy this code that have been given here, and you can also share to your friends, invite them, and then complete these tasks that have been designed to give you reward earlier user. So if you want to explore the future of finance right now on this platform, you have also an option, this platform in front of you. You can explore it. It's mean you are exploring you extract today. Try it now and begin earning point that I have shown you X points. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, share it, and who need to see this, subscribe for more content. Web3 and future of finance. See you next one. Till then, take care and goodbye.